Hi, I'm Rosalie, and in this short video I would like to show you how easily you can create a service for group, class, workshop, or event appointment in Booxi. However, Booxi also allows you to create one-on-one appointments as well as rental services. Let's start with clicking on the service section, where you will find all the services you provide with Booxi. You can create categories, organize your services, and make it easier for your customers to find what they are looking for. To create a service, click on Add a new service and set the name to, for example, Getting Started Class, and select the right category. Now, choose the booking type to group reservation, as we want to allow multiple clients to book with one personnel at a time. Click New. We recommend adding an image, as it makes online booking more visually attractive for your customers, but this is optional. You can edit the service details to set up the essential information you want to provide. You can edit the name and change a category at any time. The booking filter tags will allow you to show a specific service online, for example when using the Book Now button in a page for online booking of VIP services. Select where the appointment will take place. The duration can be selected here, and you can decide if you want it to be visible or not to the customer when they book online. You can also add a spacing after the service in order to schedule time in between appointments, for example a busy 5 minutes to prepare for the next customer, or an available 20 minutes for customers to be ready, but which leaves you available for another appointment. Next option is the capacity, which will limit the amount of participants per event. Here you have the option to have the group service free or at a price per person, and you can decide not to display the price online. Booxi also allows you to request an online payment at booking through our partners Stripe or Square. You can capture the full amount, a deposit, or only the card information, or send a payment email for the customer to pay at a later time. Underneath, you can set up a simple question or a small survey, which will be asked to the client at online booking. The answers will be visible to you directly in the appointment from your calendar. The following text can be used to provide additional instructions to your client, for example in preparation for their appointment. These instructions will be sent in the confirmation and the reminder emails. Lastly, the description should be used to provide more information to your client when they book online. Click on Save to keep your changes. Here you can assign which personnel will be providing this service, meaning that Booxi will only allow the client to book this service with the selected staff. You can associate resources with a service to ensure that they can only be booked when at least one of the associated resources, such as equipments or rooms, is available to provide this service. Each resource has its own availability calendar. The booking rules allow you to control how your clients will be able to book online. You can choose to enable or disable the online booking. The rest of the rules can also be found in your business booking rules, which by default apply to all your services. However, you can override these specifically, for example, in case some services have different cancellation and modification options, or different time limits for booking in advance or last minute. Click on Save, and now that you're done setting up, you can turn it available online so it is visible and can be booked by your customers. Finally, you can easily reorder your services and categories, as well as duplicate or delete them. The last step is to plan the group in your calendar in order for customers to be able to book online. To do that, go into your calendar and select the date and time of the class or event, and click Right to create a new group availability. Make sure you pick the right service. The duration, price, and capacity are automatically populated, but you can change them individually if needed. Click on Save to add your group in your calendar. This concludes our video tutorial on how to create a group service in Booxi. Check out more videos to get an in-depth look at specific features. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.